Bobo, welcome to Official Super Mario Hour. I'm the Mario Kid. Today we're doing Luigi's Mansion 3.
I'm holding a floating head.
Floating head and overalls. Floating overalls too.
Whoa.
So, please like, subscribe. Roll music.
Mario, 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 Mario. It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Dad, got one up.
Yeah, you did.
And we're back. So, looks like that's a gym logo. Like a weight. Wait, there's a weight.
Oh, 13. So where are we going? Oh.
Happy Saturday!
Oh.
I forgot to tell you that in the intro.
What did you have for breakfast?
Yeah.
Waffle.
Waffle day?
Yeah.
There it goes. 14. 14.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Not the cat.
Oh, not Polterkitty.
It's a good one.
Oh.
No, you're nice, kitty.
Polterpup. Get her. Get her. Where's she going? So we have to stay on this floor. Never mind. We're not going to the next floor.
Bruh. You laughed at us.
Alright, we've basically already done most of this stuff though, haven't we?
My eyelash feels a little too long.
It does.
Ah. Why is there muddy?
Alright, let's go see if we can catch that thing.
Why is muddy in side?
Maybe that's Cappy when they're a floating head.
Oh, there it is. I saw it.
Went that way, I guess. Polterpup's in this way.
Okay, Polterkitty. Can't be in a locker, right?
I don't know. Went this way now.
That
way?
Yeah, I think
Should we wait it on Polterpup? He's saying that way, isn't he?
the shower.
Come on in, Polterpup.
Ooh.
This is where it looked like it was.
Yeah, it is. What a mess.
Think it's in here? Look at that.
Is that music? Oh, it went through there. I can see its marketing. It went through that painting.
I did?
Yeah.
So what do we do?
I have to find where. I have to get behind that painting.
Behind that painting is... Looks like it's through the elevator.
So it must be in the elevator.
Wait, let's move it like this way.
Hello.
You saw the markings on that painting?
Yes.
Maybe that's where it came through this way, though. Oh, we're back here. See the cat? Gone back. Not there anymore. Polterpup. There he is. Is he coming? This way? I guess we'll walk around everywhere.
Hello.
So some gold up there. Polterkitty.
Wait, turn on that radio.
Oops. Alright, so we're ready. Oh, there it is. flash test now.
It's the dark light, remember?
Hello.
Oh, it's the dark light for Polterkitty?
Yeah, because he's the same color. There's his footprint. In here. He's in that sandbag.
Let me do this.
Why is Polterkitty in this game? Yeah, looks good. You found a way to get out of your vacuum. Look at the guy! Ah!
You got me.
I was keeping an eye on Polterkitty.
There's a lot of good.
Keep my eyes on
Oh, it wouldn't do it.
This is what you do. I think I'm gonna help you know what to do when you don't know what
Whoa,
to do. I might help you know what to do when you don't know what to do.
I got the big dog, didn't I? Oh, he's back?
No, he still has 16 months left. When's that up for? Ah!
Oh,
It's right there, behind you.
alright, we need some hearts. Get him?
No.
Oh,
I hate that sound.
where'd all the hearts go?
Maybe it's pretty good. Should shoot out something.
Is that all of them? Oh, get off!
Get off of me!
Oh!
He's over to the door.
Last one?
Yeah.
We're getting low.
He's right there! Right behind you!
Oh, yes.
Still didn't get the cat. Ah! We lost almost all of our life. Alright, there's gotta be some around here somewhere. Some hearts. We need some hearts.
Wow. Whoa.
What is that little thing?
Let's wait.
Why is it moving like that?
No, it's rolling.
There's a heart.
Grand
At least it
baseball.
got the sound off for us. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Alright, give me another heart.
You didn't get the sound off you earlier.
Yeah, that was good.
Now you got the sound off. I hate that sound.
Yeah, I don't like it. Alright, 79.
It's giving me nightmares of ghosts.
Oh no!
Wow.
Alright, I don't have to worry about that.
Each Saturday night.
Is this whole episode gonna be just chasing that darn cat? Oh, it's saying that way. Where'd it go?
There, up there.
do up there?
If you could jump, this game would be so easy. I think you can because there's so much goo in your poltergeist.
Oh, there he is. Still going.
What's that smell?
No.
He is. There he is. Wait, didn't we chase this guy before? Or earlier episode?
I don't remember what to do. Gotta go away and then flash him? Do you have to flash him or? Oh, look at this one. Yeah.
The bell.
You have to do the thing with Polterkitty, the X light, you're sure?
Yes.
How do we get him?
I like the shadows. Maybe you just try to suck him up.
What you have to do the light?
Try to suck him up first.
Alright, we're missing something. What are we missing? He's right there, begging us to get him. Did to shoot him with something? Knock him down?
This would be easier if there wasn't any Polterkitty in this game. How do you randomly shoot it?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's open this episode is going to be the next floor, not chasing the cat. That looks like it's chasing the cat. Alright, how do you do it? Alright, we're going to try to do the
Is this on the video?
try to hit it with this thing.
We do.
I can't get this thing to make it. There you go. Oh, look at Big Lou. He's scared. Remember what we did last time? We just gotta pop him, right? Oh, there we go.
No! Double ammo!
Release this Longstone!
I do that with my
One left!
I do that with my overall.
Oh, look, we got his tail. Now what?
Oh no.
He went down? Oh. Alright.
Minute.
Alright, we gotta go to chase him downstairs. He went down to the other floor. What is that?
A memory card. It's my memory.
Oh, your memory's in there? Does it remember how to kill Polterkitty? Why does he keep running away? Alright, we need to go down one floor. What floor are we on? 13? Can you go down one?
Put it in.
The spectral catch.
Well, I hope it only goes down one floor because looks like
I know, if we have to chase this thing through the whole hotel. We just need that button so we can go to the next floor.
Oh, the pilot.
There's the pup. Where's he going? This way? Follow double P. Try to find PK.
Filter pop. Yeah, that will be done.
Oh, what was that? Oh, some orbs. No those before still, but we'll get them. You ready to do that? Pull the flag up. Oh, it's a skull. What?
Jewel.
A jewel.
Yeah.
First one we ever got in this one, huh?
It's a skeleton.
Is Polterpup in here? Are we going? Oh, look, tracks. I guess we are going the right way. Whoa!
Stop scaring us!
Polterpup.
You just scare me. I want like this in slow mo. No, this one fast when I'm
Over there, over there.
I did this super fast and slow it way down.
This way?
Wow.
Look.
I'm gonna slow down when I just did.
Alright, show me.
It did it super fast.
Whoa!
I slowed it way down there.
Is that a snake? What was that?
Doin.
Oh, it's a ghost.
I didn't go in the water.
Hope not. Luigi's not dressed for the water today.
Mario.
Not this guy over.
Mario is. That's why he's back at the gym making swim. Hey, Gen Slim, is that right?
Yep. Smash this guy with a...
Wow. Whoa.
That's the quick way to get rid of the sand. I like getting rid of the things that are flat.
Wow. Wow.
Polterkitty could be anywhere under the sand.
Surely don't sand, right? Oh, there we go.
There he is.
Oh, that's not him. I was gonna kill that bomb. That's a ghost. Do we need to get the ghost? I think we gotta shoot something at him to knock those things off. Yeah, that's all. That's not good.
He has to be in the water.
Grab that.
I'm gonna fall off my chair.
Alright.
Wow. Whoa. Wow.
Alright, let's see if we get all this sand up.
Daddy, this is actually pretty fun.
It is. Whoa.
Okay, if you don't know, I'm above the camera right now.
Above it?
Yeah?
Oh, there he is!
It's fun being above the camera.
Alright, let's see.
This is very short ball.
Oh, turned around too fast. Alright, yeah, let him sneak up on you and get ready to pounce. Right before he pounces. Flash him. There he goes. There we go. Get him. All the way.
I'm inside Polterkitty!
Go. Scoop ammo. Down to one. Oh, down to one again. Oh, but when we flash him. Ow! He went out.
Dang.
Polterkitty, give me the button.
I'm gonna go capture him.
Alright, let's go this way. What do we got here?
Okay,
Oh, there he is.
I do not like being a kitty. That is not captured. I could have took the Polterkitty to you. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, how do you get him? Oh, he's running away. Still running? A lot of gold. A lot of gold in them there, mice. Alright, get him. Oh, no! Down again! Oh, Polterpup. Oh, I feel you, Luigi. I feel you. I feel your disappointment.
I'm gonna read his brain. He's thinking he's gonna go down another floor after the next one.
Well, I guess we have to because he went down, didn't he?
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna shoot you with the zapper.
Hey, we need to go back and do some episodes on getting all the jewels, huh?
I'm gonna shoot you with a gun.
What is that? Whoa, that's from Duck Hunt, original game!
Which means it doesn't
From
have,
1985!
Which means it's just a controller. Aim.
Oh, look, what's this?
Alright, I'm aiming directly towards the camera and... I got a duck!
You got a duck? Ding, 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 ding.
What's that mean? What does that
Oh,
mean?
some fish.
What does that music mean?
Dun, ding, 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 ding. I think that's the Duck Hunt music. Dun, ding, 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 ding.
Oh yeah! You once caught Mario and Level Up.
Dun, ding, 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 ding.
Did you once watch the one where he caught Mario and it?
Next floor, 11, Twisted Sweets. We already been there a million times. At least one time, at least. Alright, let's go back down. See if we can get this.
There's one like this.
Whoa. Hey, see if you can hold your own head up in the air. Oh, it's a hand holding the floating head.
But it can actually float.
Uh-oh. Are there ghosts in the elevator? What in the world happened?
They're fighting the smallest room in the whole mansion. The good thing about that mirror is you can see invisible stuff.
Yeah, how did these come up? I haven't seen a ghost in the elevators, have we? Kablam.
This elevator right
Skaboodle.
here.
Alright, did we get to the floor we're trying to go to, or
I
what?
had to smack that button to close it. There's a millions of ghosts.
Oh,
in
what
there.
happened? Why is the elevator taking so long?
Usable.
Is this it?
Usable.
Twisted Sweets?
Oh yeah, the magic trick.
Wait a minute, is this Twisted Sweets?
Yeah, it's the magic
It
trick.
is. I don't see any tracks. Oh, there's some tracks.
That's for Polterpop though.
Well, maybe he's tracking him. What do you think? Oh, there he is. Toilet time?
We're gonna go down the toilet. I once made a Mario
Oh, he
Kart
went that way.
of our house, and you couldn't actually. If you go down the toilet, there's a pipe. If you go down the toilet, you're gonna die.
What game?
Mario Maker 2. Can I just? Hey, the last one.
Whoa!
Look.
Polterpup, there he is.
My head's going. My head's going. Now it's just a floating captain.
Oh, there's a cat! There's a cat! Get it, get it! Ah! Get it, get it! Oh, it went that way.
That's a Mario coaster.
Did you go on stage? Yeah, it went up on stage. Oh, it's in that box.
Shush.
Wow! Wow!
How do we get out of that box? Oh. Well, I sell that trick. Oh, is it? You got to do Gooigi? You think? Okay. Come on, Big G. What are we doing here? You might be too close. There we go. Oh, I was supposed to flash him. Ah! What do we do? What are we doing here, folks?
I love how Max Ninja Pig said, I'm getting it so much I'm just calling Mommy. And Mommy went down.
Did you draw one of those?
Yeah.
With who?
And Mark.
Amanda Mark? There you go.
Mario!
Oh! Whoa!
Get out of here!
Alright, here we go.
Get out of here!
Here he goes. Oh, he got me! He got me! Alright. Oh, I switched to Luigi accidentally. Alright, let's do it like this. We get the angle right. Oh, he got me again! Too fast!
No. I'm giving you a heart.
I do need that mark.
Polterpup gave it to you.
I wonder if we need to flash him with Luigi. Maybe that's what we gotta do. Go down there. Hey, don't you touch Luigi with your tail like that. Got him! That's what we had to do. That's what you do.
Like, what the heck is
Get him,
Luigi?
get him. Zero! Give me that elevator button! You can't!
I think we might have to do the next one.
I don't think we do.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna go back to the elevator and get ready, okay? And then we'll do
Let's get that button.
we'll do the next floor in the next episode.
Let's get that button.
That one? I think we should just leave it here.
Are you kidding?
Problem is we already got it once and then that cat stole it.
Oh, I did it. Yeah. Ha-ha!
14!
Don't hold it out that far.
Good point. Put that thing in the poltergear or something.
You put it in his pocket.
Alright, what's the fastest way back to the elevator?
Right there.
Through there.
Oh, I have a shortcut.
And then through here. This is the magic one that went all the different ways. Did we solve that?
There was a boss arena.
Yeah. Oh, you can't go through here. I'm trying to take a shortcut.
I know a shortcut.
Alright, go for it. Show everybody your controller.
Right
It's
here.
not green.
What the heck?
See the map up there? Follow the map. Did it take you to a weird place? Oh, there's a mirror right there. Showing you that there's another door. Looks like you have to go the long way. All the way back that way.
Wait, here's my shortcut.
That's alright, it's not that far.
Here's my shortcut. Go through this door. Go this way. To this door. And go down right here. And now we're in the bedroom, which the room should be right here. There we go. Look, I made it back.
Alright, good. Alright, go ahead and pop in and see if it saves when you go in. Did it save when you went through that last door?
Yeah.
It did? Actually, go ahead and go to the next floor. No, we better not.
So
It did save? Okay, go ahead.
So if you like the episode, please subscribe. Down!
Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe? Like and subscribe!
Thank you.
It's the official Super Mario